We made some stickers and bookmarks, some Indigenous Dreamtime stories.
We made some bookmarks, some lanyards, and some stickers.
We made like loom band bracelets. We made like some bead bracelets.
Well, we made trinket boxes, coasters, bookmarks, and a joke book, and some origami.
Knock, who's there? Leave me alone.
What's it called when a hospital runs out of maternity nurses? A midwife crisis.
My favourite thing to create was the dot painting and painting outside, on the outside.
We drew stickers and then Playford printed them off and put them on drink bottles. This one.
Oh, cute. And what is that exactly? What's the picture of?
Like nurse protecting people.
My favourite thing was the origami. Origami was like love hearts, and we made a dog face.
Because I love doing loom bands and they're really fun and stretchy. It made me feel happy.
Nice, calm, for giving the nurses things.
We feel really happy because I've broke my arm once and they helped me fix it.
It was very calming and nice, and I felt happy because I was caring for other people that really needed some love.
I would say thank you for helping us and delivering babies.
I'd like to thank the nurses for saving people's lives and working hard.
These nurses have done so much during COVID and throughout their whole working experience.
I would say the message to them is thank you for everything that you've done for us, and keep the good work up and keep your head up and stay strong.
I hope this card brings you a smile. You're the best. So nice.
Want to be just like you when I'm older.
Allowed the children to be welcomed into our healthcare community and understand how we work, what our needs are. And it's also educated our staff into the special work that's done in mentoring children in the northern areas. So it's been very rewarding for both sides.
And we know that you're thinking of us, and we hope too that in some ways you can think of perhaps joining us in a hospital in the years to come in the variety of the roles that we perform. So we really are very grateful and thank you.
I would just want to say a big thank you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're putting smiles on people's faces.
Just a big heartfelt thank you for thinking of us in the health sector during what has been a really, really busy time, and it's just really nice to be thought of.
Thank you so much. It means a lot, and has been some difficult times, and this has really put some smiles on people's faces and cheered everyone up.